from Abhigik, and today we would be reviewing some apps and tools which are very great, and you can go for this. This is free in Android store, and these are the applications which I normally would review. So let's begin. So the first app is concerned is very great, which is known as CPU-Z. You can go for this app which is free in Android store, and this app is basically categorized and used for those persons who normally want to review their phones. Yes, if you purchase a phone, you want to know the every and aspect of the features and internal hardware of the phone, you can go for this app which is known as CPU-Z. In this SOC means specifications as per conduct, you can see this is the specification of my S3 Neo, which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 1.9 GHz, plus it has an 4x Adreno 4x Cortex processor with 1.9 speed. As per revision is concerned, it has 4 cores and its GPU vendor is Qualcomm. As per it is concerned, it is shows. Apart from that, there are many toggles are concerned. For the second, you can go for that. You can see that the device model number is being given, the brand name is given, the hardware specs is given, screen size is also given, screen resolution which is 720 into 1080 pixels is given, 0.5 dpi is given, which is screen density, and dimension is 360 36.6 into 70.8 into 8.6 millimeter. As per RAM is concerned, it has a 1.5 GB of RAM, means 1.5 GB of RAM, when which available is 178 RAM, 178 MB, means 12% is been available. Apart from that, you can see the internal storage which is given 16%. So this is an app which is basically concerned for those persons who normally want to know their phone as well. So you can go for this app. As per system Android is concerned, the operating system which is being used is known as Android 4.4.0. API level is 19 and bootloader, the code is given as per. The system update is being made as 16.20.03. Root access is no, means you can't root this phone. If you go for third parties, you can root this phone. Apart from battery is concerned, you can see that battery is given, where battery is showing 72% battery. It is discharging. And status, if you charge this phone, it would show charging. Temperature is 72 degrees. Apart from that, thermal adaptability is concerned, it is showing 34 degrees Celsius. And when you click on the sensors, you can see this much sensors I have, means accelerometer, gynoscope, magnetic sensor, proximity sensor which is absent, and proximity sensor is there but it's not working because the light condition is good. Rotation vector, gravity sensor, means if you have an S7 Edge, or if you have an iPhone, normally it doesn't work in iPhone. I think iPhone doesn't have this app, but if you have an Android platform, you can go for this app. UI is concerned, you would get a whole prox parameter of what kind of features and specs your phone is having. So this is an app which is known as CPU-Z. The second app which I would talk about is known as Go Multiple. Go Multiple is also an app in which you can go for multiple accounts at a stretch. Means if you want the 2 Gmail accounts, you can enable it and see that 2 Gmail's account would be added, and it had created a Gmail account for you, which is additional. By opening this app, you can see that WhatsApp is, you can configure this WhatsApp here also in internal in this app, and one additional WhatsApp would be on background, which would be on what we say whenever you install. So you can create 2 Facebook accounts, you can log in here and you can go for the app isn't installed, it's telling. So you have to install this app. So whenever you go to Gmail, see its Gmail app is running on that application. So means if you want 2 accounts, means if you want 2 Gmail accounts, you can access this Gmail account from this app, and inside this app which has been rooted, and on the background there would be another Gmail account app which you can add on. Apart from that, if you have a WhatsApp, you can add on WhatsApp. By internally you can use this WhatsApp, and by externally there would be another WhatsApp which will be running in this way, in here, means in lock screen, what we say in interface. So this is an app. The third app which I would talk about is called Compass for Android, which is basically for those persons who normally go for travel from one area to another area, because it is very accurate compass, and as per accuracy is concerned, it is very accurate because I have used this app with a what we say with a real compass, so it is showing accurate. Apart from that, you can see that there is a switch which is given in which you can select these themes, which you want white theme, you can go for this white theme. If you want an additional of this kind of theme, you can go and you can see that east, west, north, south, so it is given. Apart from that, if you want a simple arrow which is concerned, you can go for this also, but there would be an arrow which is would be given. So its accuracy is concerned is very great. So the fourth app which I would talk about is known as Night Dream. This app is basically configured for those persons who normally are tend to set an alarm and they want to wake up early. So basically the thing is that if you want to set an alarm, you can set the alarm. Apart from that, this would be the display which would be given when you are asleep. Means you can set a time period when, means if I go to sleep at 10 o'clock at night and I woke up at around 7 or 8, so at that duration this screen would be showing in this way and it would be locked, but this display would be showing where the 15.21 means it is around 3:21 p.m, which is showing it's Monday 19 December. So you can go for this way. You can see that this would be rotating from one way to another way and it would be going upward, downward, but it would be always on. The screen would be always on. Apart from that, for a suggestion from my part, if you want to save your battery or if you want to have a battery which would last for longer, you can use this app because background apps normally take more battery usage, but this kind of app which is normally free in Android store and it is known as Night Vision for Android. Basically for those persons who normally go to sleep and they want means night dreams, means they wake up and they see that they want to see the clock, so this is a suggestive app for them as it shows the time and date, etc. Apart from that, the last app which I want to review is known as Easy Mix Audio Video, which is free in Android store, in which there are two categories. First is mix audio video and second is saved files. So you can click on save mixed audio video. There are two options which are add video and add audio. Means you can make a video and you can add audio on that. You can make an audio and you can add video on that. So as for mixing is concerned, if you click on mixing, you have to select the video. So you can, if you want to add a video, you can click here and you can directly be ported to your gallery where you can go for there and you can see that this is the video which I normally shooted. So whenever I want to click here and I want to select an MP3 which I want to add on this, so I can do that. So this is also free in Android store. It is very simplistic and simplistic app in which you can mix an audio video and save it and mix an video audio. Means if you have a video, you want to add an audio, you can add it. If you have an audio, you want to add a video, you can add this. So this is also free in Android store. These all applications are free in Android store. So if you want to download these apps, there would be a description. Click down below description because these links are being shared on description. Apart from that, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. This is Abhijit signing off from Abhi Geek. Peace.